This video will show you the installation steps of HYXiPOWER 8 to 12 kilowatts 3-phase string inverters. Before installation, please read carefully the installation environment requirements of the inverter. This video is divided into 3 sections: mechanical installation, electrical connection, and communication installation. Before installation, check that the accessories are complete. Installation and protection tools. The following is a reference to the corresponding cable specifications for installing the inverter. String inverters require sufficient space for installation. Attach the mounting plate to the inverter in the corresponding position. Assemble the mounting plate with M6 screws. Mark the mounting holes for the backplate in the correct location. Secure the backplate to the bracket with M6 screws. Mount the inverter on the backplate. Fasten the inverter to backplate with M6 screws. Prepare the PE cable. Connect a PE cable to the inverter. Prepare DC terminals. Strip the cable about 7 mm and crimp the DC terminal. Assemble DC connectors in sequence. Fasten DC connectors. Connect the DC side cable to the inverter until you hear a click. Prepare an AC power cable for the inverter. Thread the components through the AC cable in sequence. Strip outer cable about 75 mm, inner cable stripped about 15 mm. Add tubular terminals to cables and crimp them. Insert the cable into the corresponding limit hole. Tighten set screws. Assemble the AC side connector in order. Connect the AC power cable to the corresponding port on the inverter. Strip the wire. Add tubular terminals to cables and crimp them. Thread the components into the cable in sequence. Insert the terminals into the specific position of the connector and fasten them. Fasten the meter connector in sequence. Insert the meter connector into the corresponding port and fasten. Disassemble the DCS. Insert the SIM card. Assemble the DCS. Route the network cable through the fittings in order. Plug the network cable into the bottom of the DCS. Assemble the DCS. Insert the DCS in the corresponding port, fix it with the knob on the top. Scan the QR code for more information on DCS configuration.